The rising Golden Cup badminton star Mikan Eugenio reached the quarterfinals of the 2025 Regionals Athletic Association meet held at Cainta, Rizal. After having a legendary run at the divisionals, Mikan stepped up for a bigger challenge, going up against different divisions in Calabar Zone. Mikan stood face-to-face against Binyan, Rizal Province, and Antipolo, managing to place fourth in the singles B category. How did you first get into badminton?
Nagsimula ako mag-badminton nung 8 years old ako dahil yung buong family ko naglalaro sila ng badminton kaya na-influensyahan din talaga ako. Tapos ever since no naglalaro ako hanggang ngayon.
You mentioned your parents. Who has been your biggest inspiration in the sport and why?
Biggest inspiration actually yung parents ko nga as you mentioned. Specifically yung papa ko kasi ever since na nagsisimula pa lang ako maglaro, siya na talaga yung nagtuturo sa akin, nagga-guide sa akin. At pag may mga tournaments ako, siya talaga yung tumutulong sa akin mag-prepare at gina-guide ako pag may kailangan ako at sa mga strategy ko.
Now, can you share some of the most memorable moments in your journey going to the regionals meet?
Okay, so marami akong memorable moments noon. Pero ang masasabi ko or mame-mention ko siguro is yung one time nung during RAAM training, nag-singles kami ng coach ko, si Coach Michael. Intense yung laban namin kasi malakas talaga siya at di ko masasabi kung mas malakas ako sa kanya pero it was intense at yun, natalo ko siya. Isa yun sa memorable moments siguro.
How did you prepare yourself in the face of challenge and pressure? Especially na you're representing a whole division.
So yun nga, since ang rina-represent ko ang IMUS, kailangan ko muna i-take that into consideration kasi hindi ako pwede mag-training na iniisip ko lang sarili ko. Kailangan magte-training ako na iniisip ko na ang rina-represent ko ay buong IMUS. At hindi lang din IMUS, specifically rina-represent ko ang Benedictine Institute of Learning. Kaya that helped me to be sabihin natin mas naging magaan yung pakiramdam ko at nakapag-training ako ng kumbaga I worked harder na lang, sabihin na lang natin.
Now, lastly, what advice would you give to young athletes who aspire to be a student athlete or a professional badminton player?
For young athletes, inspiring to be student athletes and to be a badminton player specifically, ang masasabi ko para sa inyo, para ma-motivate kayo is just work hard talaga. Yun lang yun eh. Maraming mga opportunities na waiting for you. Kaya just work hard. Maraming mga maraming mga school, maraming mga liga, maraming mga tournaments na will serve as an opportunity. Although hindi tayo pantay-pantay ng opportunities kasi syempre hindi naman lahat may training from the start talaga na masasabi nating simula't bata pa lang nagte-training na talaga to. Merong iba na late na nakapag-start at meron namang iba na maaga talaga. Pero ang one thing that separates or kung ano yung nakapag-separate talaga as sa isang mabuting student athlete is yung hard worker talaga sila.
Meanwhile, Mikan is set to play his last game as a BIL Cub in the upcoming IMUS Private School Athletic Association tournament this upcoming weeks.